Welcome to another pool and outdoor living project. I'm Alex with Derby City Pools and Outdoor Living, and I want to invite you to the next start to another beautiful backyard. So what are we waiting on? Let's go! This property, like most, has its own set of unique challenges. We have slope away from the home, and then from one side of the property to the other. We're going to be building a modular block retaining wall all the way around this pool so that we can bring up the site's elevations and create a nice level and flat pool deck. All right, so now that we've got the site laid out, we can start digging and let the fun begin. Oh no, that sounds like rock. Not what we want to hear. As we continue to dig, we uncover a more solid layer of limestone. Sometimes we have great soil with no rocks. Sometimes we hit floaters. But this season, we've hit solid rock on most of our jobs. Our equipment can do most of the dig and haul off, but when it comes to the limestone in Kentucky, we have to rent the big guns, large equipment with a hydraulic breaker. After we have cleared all the site's overburden, the DCP Freightliner dump trucks show up with all the rock. We have several different ways to get rock into the bottom of the pool hole depending on our site logistics. On this particular project, we used our custom DCP Toro mud buggy with swivel bucket to get our rock into the bottom of the hole. Generally, when we hit limestone, it doesn't break out evenly. So when we are overdug, it is necessary to bring in large stone to correct our base, then compact. Once we are within our tolerances, we lay and screed our small stone bedding course. The crane is here. This is always a logistical challenge to get the crane set up to accept the pool and fly it safely into the backyard. We are always challenged with obstacles like wind, weather, home, and trees while precisely placing the pool into its final resting place. Now that the pool is set, leveled, and plumbed, we can start building our modular block retaining wall so we can backfill the pool and infill with water simultaneously. Now that the binder has been poured, the coping is installed, and the water feature is built, we start laying pavers. We are laying a Techo block para in a beautiful basket weave pattern. This really complements and completes this 35-foot storm gray illusion pool project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.